This is one of the safest assets to invest in and also one of the favorite choice of all investors. If you ask a rich man, what is the best investment on earth? He will say real estate because the best investment on earth is earth. Now you may be thinking that while the time of recession when the price of majority of the assets are going down, how can the price of real estate increase? No one has that much. We need to invest in real estate, and that at the times of recession. So why would anyone invest in real estate? Yes, it is right that at the time of recession the demand of real estate will be quite low. But that is a catch in it. As I already told you that during the times of recession companies suffer a lot of losses and there is less money in the market. Furthermore, a lot of people lose their job and a lot of company goes bankrupt. Now many companies and people have an emergency fund which they use in times like this, but also there are people who don't have an emergency fund. And during times like this they have no source of income or are in debt, so they have no choice but to sell their assets. And when it comes to asset, the most common asset is the real estate. It's like majority of the people have their money invested in real estate. So, when these people are in a debt or they don't have any source of income and they don't even have an emergency fund, what will they do? They will have to sell their real estate, which is the only asset they have. And in the time of recession very few people have cash or money, so they will have to sell their real estate at a lower price than usual because they are in need of money. During recessions you will get great deals and great buying opportunities because during this time the demand of the asset is very low and the supply is very high because a lot of people need money to survive in the market. So, during such time cash is king. The person who have a lot of cash with him can thrive in times like this. And if you have enough money to invest in real estate, this is the best time to buy it because when the recession ends and the markets will recover, more people will looking for investments. Therefore, it leads to increase in the demand of assets. But after a recession it is found that the market usually moves up higher than it previously was. So, all you have to do is look for great buying opportunities. Look for great deals from people who are in need of money and are willing to sell the properties. Those are the people who will offer you the greatest deals now. There are a lot of properties out there, so which properties should you actually invest in? It depends upon a lot of factor when it comes to investing in real estate, and it also depends from country to country or which country you are living in. If you have enough money to buy a real estate, and can even get loan at the time of recession, bank usually charges a very low interest rate but the most important thing is to find a great deal or a good buying opportunity, and this will come from someone who is in need of money. Or you can even find someone from your family or friends whom you trust and explain this concept to him. And if he is interested, then you both can form a joint venture and then buy real estate. So, the bottom line is you have to look out for great deals for good buying opportunities, and you will only find these opportunities from someone who is in need of money and is willing to sell his assets. Plus, another benefit of recession is that the bank will charge low interest rate from you if you borrow a loan from them. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.